over my lemon. We just want to cover it just until it reaches almost the top. You can cover it completely if you want, but otherwise it's not a big deal. I'm going to place these over here to set, and I have 2 that I've already done. I'll bring them here. You can see our lemons are trapped inside, and now we're going to take them out. Start by pressing down. You can see our lemon is trapped inside, and the same with this one, and it slides right out. So now we have our lemons. Leave this like this, you can see that. I'm gonna start by cutting my lemon. You just wanna trace right around the top. You can use 1 box of Jello for the color, and then you can use 2 cups of unflavored gelatin to make the mold. Pull that away from our lemon. I'm just gonna press it on the bottom, and we'll start by the smaller end of the lemon. I'm just gonna pop that right out. Once it gets enough, we can pull it. There we go. And we have our lemon mold. You can see that, see the inside. Now we're gonna work on our chocolate, and I'm going to just pour in some yellow powder. This is special food coloring for chocolate. I'm just gonna give that a stir. I wanna get that nice mix in there. I'm going to take my white chocolate. I'm going to pour this into my lemon mold. And now we're just gonna move that around. I just want it to coat the inside of the mold. Just gonna turn it like this. And like that. I'm gonna come back to my first one while that one is setting up. And we're gonna carefully unmold our chocolate. So it's the same concept as when we took out the lemon. We're gonna start with the flatter end, and we're gonna slowly pop that out. Up from the bottom, and carefully we'll wiggle that out. There you go, you have a lemon.
Tempering your chocolate is not necessary.
Some lemon Jello that I've just prepared in the traditional way with some boiling water. I've added a little cold water and we've let it sit for a moment. Mixing that in with my whipped cream and my Philadelphia cream cheese. We're just gonna cut the end off our piping bag, and we'll come over here and fill up our lemon. We wanna leave a little space. Can't have cheesecake without graham cracker crust. Got my graham crackers here. I'm just gonna beat them to smithereens.
Slowly roasting your white chocolate in the oven will give it a caramelized and nutty flavor.
Nothing could be simpler than caramelized white chocolate. You just take some white chocolate, place it into an oven on low heat, and you just want to stir it from time to time. Now I'm going to fill my lemons with my graham cracker crust. And putting it in the caramelized white chocolate is going to keep the crust from getting soggy. No soggy crusts. Now it's ready for the taste. Pick that up. Have my spoon, just dig right in there.